See, first I got to intro in the video somehow. You want to do the intro?
No.
Hey guys, I'm Noah with IFX Retro Games.
I don't want to do
it. Okay, everyone, we are back in the game office, and today Noah is going to learn how to desolder and resolder his first stick box. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we turn it on?
Yep. It's already set to 650. Now, I don't consider myself an expert at this, son. I've just kind of learned as I've gone. But basically, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to apply some flux. Okay. That's going to help the solder melt. So grab the syringe.
So it's this top one.
Yep. So you got the 4 posts that basically are like the supports, and then you've got the 6 little ones that are the actual potentiometers.
Okay. Should I start
Yep, go ahead. That's good. I like that on every one.
How does that look?
Looks good. Okay, so you're going to want to have the solder sucker in one hand. Probably going to want to put it in your right hand. Yep. Okay. So you want to hold it like that so that your thumb can pop it without you having to use your other hand.
Okay.
So can you press that with one hand? Perfect. Okay, Yep. Plunge that back down. Okay, so grab the soldering iron with your other hand and just go ahead and melt one of the corners.
Looks like I got it.
Just like that. Close the plunger and do it again.
It puts out steam when you do it.
That's not steam. That is the flux. You don't want to breathe that stuff. Good. You're doing great. Keep going.
It looks pretty clean.
Yeah, looks really good.
Should be loose now.
Let's see. Usually I try and move these pins a little bit. See, there's still a little bit right there.
They're coming out. There we go.
There you go. Okay, grab a T2.
How are we going to do this? Because we have to get it to stay up in there.
You can honestly just put it underneath. I bet you can just hold it up with one finger. If I can get it in to begin with. There you go. It's easy as that. So first you're gonna apply a little bit more flux.
Okay.
Let's just do the corner. So apply it to the corner. Just one of them. Well, it doesn't matter which one. There you go. Okay. Now take the soldering on your right hand because you're right-handed. We only did that because we need to use a solder sucker. And let me move my hand out of the way. Okay. What you want to do is you want to heat the part. Okay. So you're going to bring the soldering iron in, and you're going to heat the part itself, and you basically want to apply the solder to the piece itself, okay?
What do you mean?
So you're going to bring the soldering iron in, and then you're going to add solder to it. So go ahead and bring it in there. Then bring the soldering iron away.
Oh.
Just like that.
It's actually quite easy.
So go ahead and add flux to that other corner. Do the opposite corner because then it'll hold itself up. I always do 2 opposite corners first.
Okay, so...
Okay, bring in the solder. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
So the thing to know is that the solder goes wherever the heat is. Wherever you make it hot, so wherever you want the solder to flow to, that's the spot you have to make hot.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, so like if you heat up the motherboard, the solder is going to stick to it?
It's only going to stick to other metal components, but that's the point.
Okay.
So let's say you've got solder good there, but you can't get it to go to the other side. Heat up the other side.
Okay.
All right, do that corner.
Well,
and then the rest of it, honestly, is just practice.
I'm gonna
go ahead and flux all the rest of them too.
Okay.
Go ahead and extend out a little bit more. That way you don't get to your hand so close.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, stop. So, you're probably wondering, why didn't my part get hot enough to melt the solder? It's because of oxidation on the soldering iron tip. Now, somebody spilled out all the tip tinner So we're just gonna have to use some flux to fix it. Let's see, where's the flux paste at? Here we go. Normally I would use tip tinner for this, but we don't have any. I'm gonna scrape off all that oxidation on the brass sponge. Then we're gonna add a little bit of solder to the tip of the soldering iron. We're gonna scrape that off. Okay, and see how we have a bright, clean, silvery tip? Mm-hmm. That's what you want. Mm-hmm. Try that same joint now. You'll find it goes a lot better.
Ooh, yeah. Okay. Looks pretty good.
Yep.
Okay, now I'm gonna do one of these small posts.
You can do them all in one go.
Really?
Yeah. Just move on down the line. Yep, just like that. Yep. Takes very little solder to do those.
Yeah, they're just computer components. Stuck the solder. That one was intrigued. There.
These three, just so you know, these three look really good. These look like they have a little too much solder on them.
Yeah, those were kind of tricky.
It'll be fine. Just know you don't need to apply so much solder next time.
Those things are kind of tricky to get in there and tricky to get out. You also got to route the wires back so that they don't get underneath.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna pull the shoulder buttons back off. Oh, that's dirty. Let's clean that.
Makes you wonder what people are eating.
What?
Like, are people eating waffles and syrup when they play GameCube?
I was thinking that.
Or do you think it's Cheetos?
I don't know. Really some sort of dirty thing. Although I wonder why.
Yeah, it looks great.
Where are all those screws I put in here?
I think there's one in the cover.
Oh, yeah.
Gotten quite proficient at that, son.
Yeah, quite easy controllers. Well, at least I think they're easy. Wavebirds are pretty easy except for the battery terminals.
Yeah, they get pretty corroded, don't they?
Yeah. And also you can't really wash them. And if you wash them with the battery terminals inside, they'll corrode even more. Left shoulder button isn't as dirty. I'm still gonna give it a good cleaning though.
That says it. It's definitely got to be Cheetos. Because they eat Cheetos with the right hand.
That's pretty funny. There we go.
Go ahead and shut off the vent fan.
We're not soldering anymore. It was very rusty. Oh, and do we have new ones of these showing up?
We do. They're on the way.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, maybe now's a good time to see if you can
make a nunchuck.
Put a nunchuck controller on there. Nunchuck
I think we should do black.
Oh, you want to do a black one? Okay.
Yeah. It is a black controller.
There you go. Now it's a custom controller.
Oh. Luckily, they're just as easy to put on.
I don't know if the height is correct.
Well, I thought they were just as easy to put on.
You got the thing lined up?
Yeah. Oh, there we go. How does that look to you?
Well, looks usable.
Yeah. It doesn't hit the motherboard.
That's good.
You can already tell that stickbox feels better.
Well, you gotta use the C-stick. Because that definitely won't fit.
That one's round. Luckily, the C-stick isn't bad.
Yeah.
There, black and yellow. I like that.
You still need to clean the case?
I already cleaned it.
Okay.
Do you know why the D-pad has a little notch out of it over there?
No, I don't.
I don't know if it makes a difference. GameCube controllers are actually quite simple, in my opinion.
They're not bad. Put 2 screws in it, caddy corner, and then we'll...
Yeah, I always like to do that.
We'll check it before you put them all in.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's see what you get. Test all the buttons. Yeah. A, B, X, Y.
Rumble motor works.
Okay, good.
Start works. Left, up, down, right.
Okay. Is it a good controller?
Yeah. Oh,
all
Z.
Right.
Yeah, Z works.
All right.
I forgot to hold it on when I booted it up.
Ah, okay. All right. Put the rest of the screws in.
Okay. I actually like the nunchuck.
Yeah?
I think we should keep it like that.
Well, I don't know. We were going to put it on eBay. I don't know if we could sell it like that.
Oh.
I suppose if I made a separate listing that was custom Wii nunchuck GameCube controller. I don't know. I don't know if anybody'd buy that.
Oh, well, I was thinking it was going to be a keeper.
Oh, okay. You want it for yourself? Thought you were an original Wavebird fan.
I like Wavebirds, but
Yeah.
but nunchuck joysticks are cool. I don't know, maybe if I sit on the beanbag chair, I might use this. Or maybe we just keep it out here.
Maybe. Keep it in the game office?
Yeah, where there isn't that much space between the TV. Get in there. Oh.
Is it all 6?
Yep.
Because there's an extra screw there.
I think that was somebody else's screw.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, there we have it.
Nice job, bud.
Nunchuck GameCube.
You replaced your first stick box.
Yeah.
All right, give me 5. Good job, buddy.
Yeah, thanks for teaching me.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right. Well, that's it for this one.